Good morning, children. Welcome to Prakati School channel. 10th Standard Mathematics. Chapter Arithmetic Progression. Topic Sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. In our previous videos, we have solved problems. Today also, we are going to solve some more problems. Now, let us go through the first problem. Find the sum of 22 terms of AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. They have given sum of 22 terms. That means n value is 22. And what is this? D value? D value is 7. What is 149? 22nd term. 22nd term. How we write 22nd term? So we write A22 equal to 149. What we have to find? Find the sum of 22 terms we have to calculate. With the given data, n equal to 22, d equal to 7, a equal to 22, a22 equal to 149, we have to find the value of S22. So here, the data that is missing is A, the first term. So let us use the formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An, that means A22 equal to A value we have to find. N value 22 minus 1 multiplied by D value is 7. So A22 value we know it is 149 equal to A plus 21 into 7. 149 equal to A plus multiply 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Transfer 147, 149 minus 147 is A value. That means A value equal to, subtract 147 from 149. So we get the value 2. So the missing data, we got it, A value. Next, we know the 22nd term and we know the first term and we know the value of n and we can calculate S22. So we can use the formula Sn equal to, now I am going to write one of the three formulas which we have learnt. As I write, immediately you will recall whether it was first formula, second formula or third formula. Okay. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. I hope you have recalled now. It is the second formula. So Sn value, that means S22 we have to find. N value is 22 by 2 into A value we have calculated 2 plus L is nothing but 22nd term. 22nd term is L. That is 149. S22 equal to 22 divided by 2 will cancel by 2, 11. 149 plus 2, 151. Now your work is multiply these two. Multiply 151 with 11 and try to write the answer. What will be the answer? I think you have got it. It is 1661. So we have got 22nd sum of 22 terms. Okay, children. Now we will continue next problem. Find the sum of 51 terms of AB whose second term and third term second term and third term are 14 and 18. 14 and 18. Now we have to find the sum of 51 terms. That means we have to use the formula Sn. So to solve that, what is the data given? Second term is 14, third term is 18. So we have to find S51. Now for this, let us write the data. N value, it is 51. N value is 51. And how we are going to write that 14? It is A2. A2 value is 14. And what is A3? It is 18. So from A3 and A2 we get the value of D. D equal to A3 minus A2, that is nothing but 18 minus 14. So D value is 4. So we have got the value D, that is the common difference value, we got it. Now after finding the common difference, our work is what is the A value and what is the value of S51. Without finding A value, we can't do it. Now we will write A2 or AN. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We know this formula. Now we take A2 value. A2 equal to, we don't know A value, plus N value is 2. 2 minus 1 multiply by D. Just now we got it. So A2 value is 14 equal to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 multiply by 4. 14 equal to A plus 4. Now transfer 4 to left hand side. 14 minus 4 equal to A. So A value equal to 10. So just check, the value of A is 10. After finding A value, we have to find Sn value. Sn equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. We are using this formula because we don't know what is the value of A51. Okay. Now Sn, that is S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into, we have calculated A value as 10 plus N value is 51 minus 1 multiplied by D value is 4. We close the bracket. S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10. It is 20 plus. Now subtract 51 and 1. So it is 50 multiplied by 4. Next. S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus, we have to multiply 50 into 4, 200. S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 220. We have to add those two numbers, we get 220. Now we can cancel with 2. 2 ones are 2, 1, 1, 0. Now you have to multiply these two. Multiply, children. 110 with 51. So 5610. This is the sum of 51 terms. Okay. We take the next problem. Third problem. Whenever you have any doubt, no problem, you can send message to me, to my number 9916675060. Okay, the next question, third question. The sum of first 7 terms, the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and the sum and that of 17 terms is 289. Okay, 7 terms sum and 17 terms sum we have given. Find the sum of n terms. Find the sum of n terms. That means you must find the value of Sn. Sn we have learned 3 formulas. That is general formula. You must find Sn, a special formula for this problem only. Okay, shall we do it? Now, let us see what are the things that we know here. We know the value of 7th term, sum of 7 terms. That means S7 equal to 49. Next, sum of 17 terms equal to 289. That's all they have given. Is it? 7 terms total 49, 17 terms total 289. Now we use the formula. Which formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now first we take S7. S7 equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus, we know the value of n, 7 minus 1 multiplied by d, we don't know the value of d. Now in this problem we should calculate a value and d value. So S7 equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. S7 equal to 7 by 2. From this we take 2 common. 2 into a plus 3d. We can cancel these two. What is the value of S7? 49. 49 equal to, we multiply these two. 7a plus 7 into 3, 21d. If you observe all these three terms, there is a common factor. Divide everything by 7. 7 sevens, 7 ones, 7 threes. So we have got an equation, simultaneous equation, a plus 3d equal to 1. Now we take the second one, that is 289. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S17 equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus. Now, why can't we write directly? What is the value of n? Here, 17. 17 minus 1, how much? 16. You can do that. Now, S17 value we know. The value of S17 is 289. 289 equal to 17 by 2 into. From this we take 2 common. This is a plus 8d. We cancel 2 and 2. 289 equal to 17 into a. 17a plus 17 into 8. You have to multiply. 7 8s are 56. 5, 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 126d. Now, try to find, is there anything common in all these things? And just try to find. Yes, you can find common, or what you can do, one step here one step, okay, instead of multiplying, you can do the other way also. Instead of taking common, 289 is there, no? Into 17, transfer this side, it will become divided by 17, equal to a plus 8d. So taking common, that step is avoided. So you can think it over. Whenever need arises, you can change the problem like that. Okay? It is nothing wrong. Everything is correct. Now, 289 by 17, it is a multiple of 17. 17 17s are 289. A plus 8d. Now we have got the second equation. A plus 8d equal to 17. Now, when we solve these two, we get the value of a and d. First one, a plus 3d equal to 7. Second one, a plus 8d equal to a plus 8d equal to 17. Now we subtract, change the sign. A and a will cancel. So from these two, minus is greater. Minus 5d equal to minus 10. Minus 5d equal to minus 10. So find the value of d now. We change the sign here. Again, 5d equal to 10. D value equal to 10 by 5. So D value equal to 2. D value, you got it. Next we have to find A value. To find A value, any one equation. A plus 3D equal to 7. A plus 3 into D value is 2 equal to 7. A plus 3 into 2, 6 equal to 7. A equal to 7 minus 6. So A value equal to 1. Now children, we have got the value of A and also we have got the value of D. Now after finding the value of A and D, our question is find the sum of n terms. What is the formula sum of n terms? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. We want Sn formula. We want Sn formula. So, now this I will write again here because it may not be visible. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2 into A value. We have calculated A value. Where you have calculated A value? It is here. 1. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into D value. D value is 2. So, Sn formula equal to n by 2 into 2 plus, multiply these two. 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. 2 and 2 will cancel. Now further, Sn equal to two and 2 has cancelled. N into 2n, 2n square by 2. So the value of Sn finally it is n square. Okay. So in this problem we have to find the value of D, we have to find the value of A using Sn, two formulas, then we have to substitute in the final formula. Okay children, now we have completed 3 problems now. Now we will meet in the next video, and if you have any questions you can message to this number 9916675060. Okay, thank you.